Save India, save the Constitution is what we cherished, you and me. Thanks to the fearless framers who broke the British lock with this key. Constitution of India, the longest of any country, made to protect the true democracy and sovereignty. To it, we solemnly pledge to resolve the socialism and secularism. And to it, we promise to secure equality, fraternity, and liberty. But today, this protector has to be protected, the guard to be guarded, the fighter to be fought for. It's now all about the parties, not to make the people smile, but to get to the majority, to not have to cross the aisle, to make that dream come true. Nothing will they do for me and you. Liberty winced every time someone was slapped with a charge. Equality saddened every time politicians created double standards. Fraternity fainted every time riots erupted. Justice ground every time media verdicts took over courts. Socialism wretched every time with economic disparity. Secularism crushed every time, lynched in the name of religion. Democracy desolate every time a youth lost faith in it. But it's time we rise to this battle cry, as it deserves a worth of try. Because Constitution of India, the longest of any country, our protector needs to be saved. Let's for it work hard, for its safety be on guard. Save India, save the Constitution is what we cherished, you and me. Jai Hind.